bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Do some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own text like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make big deposits.
Alright y'all, so I'm currently at Walmart. Excuse my face. I look horrible, I'm tired, and I don't feel very well today. But I know I need to get these videos and stuff done because I want to be consistent and I don't need no excuses. Because I feel like if you let one excuse get to you, it just take over and nothing gets done. So, like I said, I'm in Walmart. I got some stuff in my cart. I'm going to show y'all what I got. I'm just getting stuff for my desk because I'm getting a new desk. Because the rest of my pieces to my desk that I have now are in storage, so I can't put it together. So I'm gonna have to get a new one, and I'm gonna show y'all the stuff I'm getting to go on my desk for like decorations and stuff like that, and also just supplies that I feel like I'm gonna need. So I know I want something like this, but I work at Ross, so I'm gonna just see if I can get a cheaper one because right now they're $12.88, and I want a folder like this to keep files in, but I'm gonna talk to my mom first to see if she think I need it. So far I just have this clipboard because I feel like I'm gonna need this when I'm doing like inventory checks and stuff like that. And then I got these shipping labels because I have some orders I need to ship tonight. So these are 5x8s. I kind of feel like I need smaller ones though because my shipping packages, some of them are smaller than that. So I'm gonna just check real quick. This is what they have. I was gonna get these, but these don't look nothing like that. Like this is what my labels look like on my website for the shipping, so I need something that looks like that. I'm gonna just have to cut around it, I guess, to shape it how I want. So I have a cup holder for pens and stuff in storage somewhere. I don't know where it is specifically, but I might just get this one. This one's a little smaller, is $9.92, or I might just get this black one right here. I think I'm gonna get this black one. Yeah, I'm gonna get this just to keep some folders on top of my desk. So I'm looking at this looks pretty promising. It got like 4 pieces of like different stuff, like the cup. It has this for sticky notes and pens, and then it has the little cup and the little file thing. So I'm gonna get that. It's only $4.97. I just feel like I be needing everything I need. I probably don't even need half of this stuff, but I just want it because I want one of these as well. I don't know. I'm gonna talk to my mom and see. This is pretty cool too. I kind of want this to keep like orders that I have coming up in, so I can see what I have to do. But I don't know. Mom, you think I should get something like this to hang on the wall so that I can like
invoices?
Yeah.
Incoming orders.
Should I get 2 of them so I can have like an outgoing and incoming? Okay, guys. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. Alright guys, so we went with this one instead of this one because I feel like this will keep everything in one spot instead of having stuff scattered all over the desk. So yeah, that's everything I have right now.
Color, I like that cocoa color. It's pretty. What you want? What you think?
I think it should be fine.
Yeah, it's cheap.
Nothing fancy, but it's gonna have to do for now. I just need something I can work on. My brother's gonna build this because I don't feel good. Thanks. It's gonna go in this space over here. Yeah. So this is the area I have to work with, guys. My mom is building a space right next to me, so this is gonna be my little corner, but we're gonna make it work. printing slips to go inside the packages. This is just some of the remaining ones that I still have to do. I still have to create one more. So yeah, I don't want to have you guys too close. I want you to be able to see any addresses or anything like that. But I also have a thing going on right now. If people review a lip gloss for me that they've ordered, then I will send them a free lip gloss. So I'm about to print those slips right now too. But I have to figure out what gloss I'm gonna give away, and then I'm gonna do the printing slips right now because I have to drop this stuff off tonight. So
Never been so caught up, still so into us. Never thought I'd be